Hi, I'm Doug from the product team here at Sophos, and today we're going to walk through setting up a site and uploading a floor plan in Sophos Wireless. We're here in the wireless dashboard, and we're going to click on Sites in the left nav. We'll then click the blue Create button up here at the top. We'll give the site a name, and then we'll enter the site address and drill into the location where the access point will be living. Once that's all done, let's select the access point we want to assign to this particular location and click Save. And once that's done, we'll then want to create a floor, which we can do by clicking the Create a Floor button here. At this point, we'll want to upload our floor plan by choosing its file and clicking the Upload button. And once it's been uploaded, we can crop the floor plan to size if we like, or if we're happy with it, click the Proceed Without Changes link. Now we need to define the scale of the rooms on the floor plan. We'll do this by dropping 2 pins and then setting the distance in between those pins in order to give the system a sense of scale. So let's set 1 pin in the corner of the living room here and another in the opposite corner. We'll then set the distance between the two at 9 meters and click the checkbox. We'll then drop our access point right here in the middle of the living room to get an idea of its range as it pertains to the rest of the floor. Now this is just a simulation of the wireless range, of course. Real-world factors may result in increased or decreased range, but this should give us a general idea about where we might want to position our access points in order to ensure the best connections. Once we're done plotting the access point, let's go ahead and click Save.